In this video, we will make a guess the number game using ChatGPT. First, let's ask ChatGPT to write us a Python script for a guess the number game from numbers 1 to 100. ChatGPT will then write code for us. It will be using the random module, which I've already installed using pip install random in the command prompt. The script will generate a random number and prompt the player to enter a guess. The player has to keep guessing until they get the right number. The script will keep track of the number of guesses and ends when the player wins. The script will tell the player when they are guessing too low or too high. ChatGPT is now done. We can now copy the code and paste it into our guessthenumber.py file. Save the file. Now run the file. As you can see, it'll first prompt us to enter our first guess. I enter 50. It says my guess is too low. 65. Still too high. 62. Still too high. 59. Still too high. 55. Too low. 57. Congratulations, you won. It took you 6 guesses to win. And that's how you make a guess the number game using ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next one.